Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings. Next you have to enter Security and Location section. Scroll down a bit, go to the Advanced, then go to the Encryption and Credentials, and here you have to select the last option, Clear Credentials, remove all certificates, and then confirm it. And as you can see, credential storage has been erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.